Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Space. In this latest video, I teach you how to earn money with Shopify. What is Shopify? How to use Shopify? Before start our topic, if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon buttons. Due to this, you will be able to see the latest video on time and get benefit from it. Now let's start our topic. First of all, open the Google Chrome and search what is Shopify and how to earn money from Shopify. So after it, you will see the different result related to what is Shopify and how to earn money from Shopify. The Shopify affiliate marketing programs lets you earn money per successful referral made from your account to the Shopify platforms. The more sellers you are able to bring into the fold for Shopify platforms, the more you will earn. How can I make money from Shopify? How to make money on Shopify 10 province based for 2022. Start an e-commerce store, build a Shopify dropshipping business, become a Shopify affiliate marketer, start your own clothing lines or accessories brands, develop a niche product and markets at well, set up a local online grocery store, sales, digital product and downloads. How much you can earn from Shopify? The average income that a small established business can earn from Shopify is around $1,000 to $1,500 per month. Dropshippers can earn as much as $10,000. Considers the reduced overhead cost and a survey by Littledata in my though. How does Shopify app make money? How do I success in Shopify? How to run a successful Shopify store, make your store mobile friendly, create brand appeals, always consider your customers' experience, sell more products, prioritize customers' retentions, make use of email marketing, upgrade your packaging, set up automatic cart abandonment emails. Is which app I can earn money? How do I make quick money? How to make money online, 32 common ways to make money online. You can read one by one and get benefit from it. So now today topic is ends. See you the next video. Take care. Bye.